Yo guys, welcome back. This is Mbega Africa. Yeah, I hope you're doing great and thanking my Almighty God as I'm here with you right now here, taking you through these places here. We shall see different kinds of things here. By the end of this, I should have shown you how our ocean looks like, guys. By the way, so guys, if you are new to this channel, guys, please do me a favor, just like, share, and don't forget to subscribe, which is the crucial and the most important thing, guys. So let's go, guys. Tuko kwa ocean sasa, tunakuja kwa ocean. I hope you are getting the points right now. You're getting me very clearly. Yeah, guys, tuko hapa kwa ocean. Ocean now, it is the ocean now. I remember one day while I was young, I used to come here and swim. Nowadays, I'm taking it small bit of time to come here. Just memories, guys. Let's make memories with you here. Talk about memories when I swim. Yeah. So, guys, I hope that you are getting in touch with me, guys. Yeah, this place is very, 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 very important to me. As I do remember my childhood when I was a kid, I used to visit this place. Yeah, guys, I used to visit this place. It's now on once again. I'm here again. Just showing you how we used to do. Here, kuna maocean hapo, kuna mawimbi kidogo, so yeah, kuna mawimbi. Yeah, guys, maji ndio hii very safi. Yeah, 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 yeah. Maji ndio hii, guys. Watu wana uganga huku, ngoja tukuonyeshe watu wana uganga huku. Huku ndio where we grew up while I was a kid, just a small, very small kid like this. I used to come here and swim, yeah, because just like a recreational facility for me. My so swimming is just a recreational activity. You know, I used to come and swim when I'm very bored at home, nothing to do. I just take and recollect my skeletons and najibeba mpaka huko na kutana na take my skeletons up to here, swimming here. By the way, guys, you know, this water, haya maji ya baharini, guys, the ocean water is very, very important to you on your health because when you swim, guys, you're releasing a lot of waste. Inataka kupa maji huko. Na zikiandaga kwa maji unaona kama uko na rashes hivyo, kama uko na wounds, hizo wounds zote zinapotea. You know, hizo wounds zinapotea and you become newly born. So unaona usiku unakuwa safi, guys. Yeah, just like that. This hapo kuna boats. You see? Those boats, there is some ships there zinaendanga huko. So hizo meli zote, guys, zinatokanga ferry. Yeah, ferry iko side nyingine huko ndani huko hivyo ndo kuna side ya ferry. Lango kuna watu wanaswim. Yeah, kuna vipi vinaogelea, guys. Vipi ndo hizi zinaogelea. Vipi zinaogelea. Watu wamefunga but they used to swim even though they are fasted, but they used to swim because swimming is just recreational. Rewards? Recreational, guys. You see? Huku kuna watu wengine relax. Kuna watu wanaogelea huku, guys. Yo, guys, huko kuna hizi vibanda. So these small kiosks they used to sell and gives the people those mabofus, you see those wanini hapo, Zima floaters. Mtu ananunuanga floater na kuja huko anaogelea. Then they pay amount of money like 50 shillings or 100 shillings. Yeah, a lot of things here being done. Guys, people are swimming. Yo guys, hii beach inaitwanga nini? Inaitwanga Simba Villa. Si ndio? Yeah, Simba Villa. They're just calling this beach Simba Villa. People are just swimming there. You see? Guys are swimming. I think you get a point here where people are taking those clothes, changing their clothes here. So guys, if you come here and don't have changing clothes, guys, you have come here with your own clothes, nothing inside, then you can just come here and have some here. You shall have ones. Can you see it here? You have those clothes and change so that you can go and swim like those other people. They're just swimming around there. I hope you can see them. There they are. A lot of people. Even though it is not clear, but you see the people are swimming there. Yeah, inside the ocean, guys. And that is very very far from this side. You see, kuna kameli huko mwisho. Ako ndo ako kameli. Naona ako kameli, guys. Kako mwisho sana, ndo ako hata siwezi kaonanga vizuri nikikazoom because kako very far. You see? Na hapa kuna watu wanaogelea hapa. I think you see, you're seeing them there. They are just swimming. They have passers by there. Hapa kuna hii nyumba ya kukodisha manguo na kuogelea. Yeah. So guys, in your place in to grow very far while I was young, just like a kid, you see. So I used to come here and swim while I'm at home. Very bored, you see, guys. Yeah, you know, there there was a time while I was at home, nothing to do. I don't have anything to do. I was just a kid, you see. I have nothing to do, as all in all, guys. I was very bored. My parents are out; they are not at home anymore. So, and my siblings also, they're not around. So I gave myself and come to swim here so that I can enjoy myself, guys. You know, swimming is very, very, very important to me. You see, I used to swim every now and then. Every single day, I used to swim every single day, guys, because I take it seriously. And those skills I used to import a lot of skills from swimming, guys. So I know how to do a lot of things there inside the water. I know how to pituka pituka. You know, guys, how to pituka pituka. Yeah, pituka pituka. I am meaning that how to change designs while swimming there. Unabadilisha design hii nyingine, unapondaga design nyingine. So unaona vitu kama hizo, guys. So I learned those skills here in this ocean and nowhere else in this ocean only, because there was a day while I was in a pool there. There was a pool there huko matao huko. So unaona hizi manyumba hizi, ngoja nikuonyeshe hizi manyumba hapa. Hizo manyumba ndefu ndefu huko mwisho. Yeah, hizo manyumba ndefu ndefu huko mwisho kuna mapool huko. So huko mwisho huko kuna pools. So huko ndo kuna hizo mapools. Sasa hizo mapools ziko mingi, guys. A lot of pools there. So I used to go there in a pool in Mombasa women. Mombasa what? Mombasa women, guys. So hiyo pool inakuanga mzuri sana, very safi, very clean, inakuanga ndani, inakuanga fresh kabisa, hata ukiingia unasikia raha. Have you ever thought a place where unaingia mpaka una smile? Yaani una smile mwenyewe bibi. Yaani una smile tu, yani kwa ile furaha unasikia furaha kidogo. So ndo hizo pools venye zinakaanga huko, very 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 sweet. Those pools are very hot, guys. So huko kwa hizo pools tulikuwa somehow tunaogelea kidogo, kishamaliza kuogelea na tunatukanga huko tunakuja home. But very far, huko ni mbali sana. So being far, I prefer myself to come here, yeah, in this area, to come here in this ocean and have myself recreational things, guys. So in fact, all in all, while I was just those simple kind of kids, I was just a kid there. So even now, I can come here and have myself recreational. You know, I enjoy very well, enjoying swimming, guys. So my enjoyment is nothing else but swimming. If she wants me to enjoy, guys, then invite me and take me to a pool. Then I'll be enjoying very well because that is my funniest. I don't know how to call this words. Kitu mzuri sana kwangu mimi because I know myself I'm gaining something else to so it's a crucial exercise to me because nothing entertains me more than swimming. Yeah, I hope you're getting the point, guys. So hapa majamaa wanaoga na maflota kama if you are not good in swimming without a floater ama you are afraid of drowning. So unachukuanga floater kama ujamaa hapa akona floater ujamaa. Unaona huyo? Akona floater guys. Ile ndio floater ile. Anachukuanga hiyo floater anaogelea. Unaona? Amevalia miwani lakini anapanda hapo hiyo floater na yeye anaogelea. Very good, very nice guys. It's very good. Yeah, kuna ingia anaogelea katika floater like we used to swim like them. Yeah. And guys, ziko mwisho kuna vimele vinapitanga huko vidogo huko mwisho. Yeah, by the way nimesimama sana bwana. Oh. Kuchoka. Yeah guys, nimechoka bana. Hii siku leo mkonga mrefu. Unajua nimetukanga home mpaka hapa. I've gotten very distance kidogo nimetukanga huko, so nimekujanga na miguu mpaka hapa. No pandering any instruments like those cars no. Just walking like an exercise because I just like napendanga sana mazoezi. That's why I prefer doing some exercise, yeah, instead of pandering a tuk-tuk or vehicle or motorbike. No, I prefer myself just to walk because to gain energy on my go. Because if you want to gain more, you have to hustle. Yeah. So guys, hustle, gain later as the things are moving on. Yo guys, the ocean is very low. But I will take you through small areas. There you can see. Even though it's 2 years, okay, let's have. I hope you know vitu mingi guys. Hapa kuna nini? Nimesema vitu zinafanyika nini, si ndio? Yeah, hizo nyumba ndio zile zenye watu wana nini? Wana change nguo zao mpya. Kwa mfano uko na nini? Umekuja hapa na mavazi yako mazuri, umevaa suti mzuri, unataka kuogelea, unakwenda hapo na change. Ukisha change kwa nini? Unabadilika, unaingia kwa maji. Tunaogelea huko. Tunaogelea huko guys. Unaangalia hizo maji. Na hizi kitu uto na nini guys? Hiki mimi sijui. Ina nini? I don't know this kind of thing. Kuna mafuta, jamaa wako na mafuta hapa, wanaendelea vizuri. Wana enjoy swimming. Small. They just swimming. Yeah, the ocean is quite good. Quite good guys. Mawimbi mazuri kidogo. Manini kidogo hapa. Unaogelea vizuri hapa, una swim vizuri mpaka unasikia raha. Guys, welcome hapa niko katikati ya bahari, unaona? Hey. Utabebwa. Yo guys, welcome on ndo katikati ya bahari, unaona? Nimependa hapo. Ni maji mengi kidogo hapo. Unaona? Hapa maji ni mengi bana. A lot of water guys here. Ngoja niwashonge uso hii maji mengi. Ah. Guys, the water is very salty. Unajua maji ya chumvi, hii maji kwa chumvi mbaya inawasha uso guys. Guys, I think we should end this video here guys. Maji inawasha bwana. Maji is very inawasha bwana. So guys, see you on my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe guys. See you. Bye guys.